Welcome. In this video, we are going to explain one of the most important concepts in SEO, that is backlinks. If you want your website to rank higher on Google, understand backlinks is a must. A backlink is simply a link from one website that points to another. When another site links to your content, that is a backlink for you. It's like getting a recommendation from another website. Backlinks are one of the Google's top ranking factors. The more relevancy and trustworthy websites that links to yours, the more authority you gain in search engine rankings. Not all backlinks are the same. Some are more valuable than others. Let's look at two main types: do follow and no follow. Backlinks from reputable, high authority sites are good for SEO, but links from spammy, low quality website can actually harm your rankings. Backlinks tell Google that other websites trust your content. The more high quality links you have, the more likely Google is to rank your page higher in search results. Now let's talk about how you can earn backlinks. The key is to create valuable content and share it through the right channels. Here is an example. You publish a detailed blog post, another bloggers find it helpful and links to it from their article. That backlink boosts your authority in Google's eyes. Want to see who is linking to you? Use tools like Ahref, SEMrush or Google Search Console to monitor your backlinks and analyze your link profile. To sum up, backlinks are essential for SEO success. Focus on earning natural, relevant, high quality links and avoid shady practices like link buying. Thanks for watching. If you are serious about improving your SEO with backlinks, explore our full SEO course. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more practical tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.